Hey, this is Shilak, Supertai's brother, and yeah, I'm going to see if I can win a match in this episode. This must be episode 7, I think, and yeah, let's jump right into it. So, we're searching for a match right now, and of course I chose my Dominus. I don't know how it's pronounced. Dominus? Dominus? Anyways, but yeah, we are. Look. Oh, I can't. I no. Okay, but yeah, we have 382 points in solo duel, so we're pretty far away from silver 2 right now, but I will see if I can get it closer to silver 1 at least. And that could be a goal, no. So yeah, something just, oh Jesus. Oh wait, nothing. Yeah, I could get behind him here. No. No. Green thumb. I'm gonna kick your ass. I must see that again. That was actually okay. That was a good, okay goal. So I'm gonna go a bit defensive now, just to make sure he doesn't score. Meanwhile, oh okay, yeah, and if you haven't watched the other episodes, go and do that because yeah, that's yeah. You can also just we was actually we have actually lost pretty many matches right in the past episodes, but we yeah well our quest is to go to silver 2, so we don't know how many episodes there's gonna be in the series, but yeah, we will upload maybe daily. Oh, that's a goal from Arm Green Thumb. And this is my account, just to clear that up. Supertai has his own account named Supertai. So, Supertai is the owner of this channel. He's my brother. Yeah, he's trying to get this account to silver 2. Kind of road to glory acting now. I just spoke Danish. Okay, but I need to focus a bit. That was awful made by me. Please. Okay. Now I'm just gonna see if I can get a... Oh. If I had boost there, I would have definitely scored. If I could get the boost from him, okay. Chill. See if I'm not falling for that one. That could be a goal. No, if I didn't hit it like an idiot. I have to win this one. Yes. So, 2, 2. I have more points than him. This could definitely be a win, but he is actually okay, this guy. I'm Green Thumb, but I'm definitely better than him. I'm not sure, but that could be a goal as well. If I could hit the ball, that's necessary for getting goals. Okay, that's aerial. If I man, He misses as well. No, that was pretty awful defense by me. Okay. I'm not standing here. I'm going towards the ball. Wait. Yeah, that's a goal. Yeah, I'm not sure if he was actually trying to save it or that was something wrong. No. 3-3. Just he is doing that again. I'm gonna see what a save for that one. He said what a save to me, so. Yeah, I see a bump in here. It's demolish him. And Supertight just entered the room.
Oh. You're ahead?
Yeah, he's got a pretty awesome goal.
Oh, nice. I guess I'm gonna see on YouTube later.
Okay. I'm just waiting for him.
Yes, that's nice.
Yes, that's a goal.
You should be home free now.
That was a good one. Yes, he forfeited.
My fault.
So, yeah, that was a nice match.
No, I'm points away from Silver 1.
I don't know how. Okay, I've recorded 6 minutes. I think I will just stop this episode here. Watch episode 8 because then we'll probably go to Silver 1.